Wash your hands at the running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitize your hands, and please stay at home. There comes a time when we hear a sudden call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying from coronavirus. It's time to lend a helping hand. We can go on if we listen day by day to wash our hands and try to stay at home. 'Cause we are all part of God's great big family. And it's true, the love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try to stay at home. There's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, and make a brighter day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try and stay at home, 'cause there's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, and make a brighter day, just you and me. Lord have mercy on us. Sanitize your hands and wash your hands day by day. Remind someone to do the same thing too. 'Cause there's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we know love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home. There's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day, it's you
push me to the top on the wings of the eagle. You are the bread of life, so you give me another life. Oh, I gave all away. Come on, Gideon. No one can love me like you. You are mysterious, God. Had me a table before my enemies, even in my weakness. You've been merciful to me. Babble away. Oh. No one can love me like you do. You prepared me a table before my enemies, even in my weakness. You've been merciful to me. I gave all away. I pay no war. I gave away. All away. Gave all away. All away. Oh, to thank you. Glory, honor, and power. All belongs to you. Turn my life around. I gave all away. I gave all away. You are the bread of life. All away. Glory, honor, and power belongs to you. Turn my life around. Glory, honor, and power. Glory belongs to you. Turn my life around. Turn my life around. Bend the world. Belongs to you. I pay no I gave all away. I pay no Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
It's time to lend a helping hand. We can go on if we listen day by day to wash our hands and try to stay at home. 'Cause we are all part of God's great big family. And it's true, the love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home. Try to stay at home. There's a chance we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, and make a brighter day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home. Try and stay at home. 'Cause there's a chance we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. Lord of mercy on us. Sanitize your hands and wash your hands day by day. Remind someone to do the same thing too. 'Cause there's a chance we make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we know love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home.
Abusia me pacho mama chiao wenya menya kan say dia machia wawie machia na me pacho efie abrabo asetena baby awoda baby awotie baby awogina no empom etesei comfort abena bonsra good morning mama Facebook nana ya ekudima Japan good morning Brian good morning Wale good morning Christopher good morning Kurima Japan good morning Kofi Ata good morning and all right wa metimi ehunu de ne kakra no more Dawson Esther good morning Konko good morning Foster good morning baby I will be wo share jumedie all over the world country I will share me was mama good morning me ba cho want to say goeiemorgen alles gut gut okay Adepa so onyame waboye ho ba wahwe yen so wakra yen ene wama yenyane ono na wayiye pie te se ebuomu enyan ena wode aba emontene ye koda no yenem senia yesida ye sorry ye ade ba kope ena yadwendwene mu no ekosie senia David kai no yenem se nyame nsa ena edayen so enye yen eyewo nyame wudin kronkron ena animonyam ne aseda ne ntrontrom ne nkamfo ne pagya ne kron ye eyewo wodia we frititi ye chiri kosi daachi ye chiri woda sugusu ye nyame wonyame yo ene wonyame su obi biara eni hwa obetumi de ne ho atoto. You are uncomparable God. You are the I am that I am. You are the bright morning star. You are the soon coming king. And pay me Owusu-Ansah etiefua Adom 106.3 anyone so our Facebook anyone our YouTube we join our faith and our heart and we open our mouth and say thank you Lord. Ye bie ya no na ye bie no tetre na ye kase aseda ne nase entrontrom ne nkamfo sorry ne opagya eye wunyame te asefo kron ni no wa efri emren santene Hebrew fonguma ne se what is sene wotie enra enne ochena enada pem wunyame ye ne wunyame su obiara ni wa obetumi de ne ho atoto homi aye homi efri wawrade mensa mitumi masoi efri wawrade dware mitumi dware amabedru ha eye wawrade drive wa mitumi drive o ye eye wawrade efisem frama me home no enya de ametua aka nenso wode amame kwa mira me bon da wase me da wase ma me man Ghana me da wase ma mabusua me da wase ma namfo bi a wo wadom nti. You have connected them into my life as my prayer warriors, my prayer partners, my encouragers. Me da was say, Emma Ankrenkrebi, I would do my bama brabo, so my namfo. I thank you, oh God, for the listeners. Wana, womunya brimpo na radio, I would do bewo kruma hai, and ne abrochire ni man on the Facebook, ne radio, I would do. Nazo so womunya brese, omane me be sungwo erade abomo. Mi rameda sibebre na me show di krono animunyam bede wasema wona we bidie wo mo ni bidie bede wasema sujafo ni awarefo bede wasema wona watimi awo ne wo mo ntime ngoye bede wasema wona wo adwuma ne wo mo ni adwuma bede wasema wona wo lockdown ne wona wo ni lockdown mo bede wasibebre ma wona ade ato wo mani ni wonso so abibia nto wo mani bede wasema nyankopon da sebre nyame obatampa nyame wa huye mobode bia da na wode yemfom so nso kyeyen enwom wo hane me ensase maye yure mfiri onyame wadoye bebreba wo ye mayen ifise ona ode ye bone nyina kyeyen na wo saye yare wansu nyina kokoa mu bone ni pete mu bone bia me Owusu-Ansah ye wo ene di otie dwumadie aye wo a obi anim Erade yesrɛ sɛ fa yɛn bɔne kyɛ yɛn na ohoro yɛn ho ma yɛn ho ntina ma yɛn ho ɛnte wɔ wo nyame w'anim yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛso nipa ni na wo w'anim no deɛ yɛbɛdi fo enti fa yɛn bɔne kyɛ yɛn na ohoro yɛn ho kura na Erade ma yɛntimi nso w'ani yɛgyira w'anim bi atade fi biara ɛhyɛ yɛ biara no Erade na Satan enyina so ankase said ada no Joshua gyina w'anim no no bɛkae sɛ wɔhyɛ ntoma fi ɛne atade fi na ne honte Erade mesrɛ ma me Yaw Owusu-Ansah ɛne mmerewa ne nkɔkora ɛmaba wa ne mmerante a wɔn de wɔn afidi ato Adom 106.3 ma yɛ nyinaa ma yɛ honte sɛ yɛayɛ bɔne bi yɛayɛ mfomsoɔ bi yɛayɛ nneɛma bi yɛaka nsɛm bi ansɛm fata wona bɔne fɛfiri nyinaa efiri hɔ wose sɛ yɛka yɛn bɔne kyerɛ wo a woyɛ nokwafoɔ ne trenini sɛ wode yɛ bɔne nyinaa bɛkyɛ no wate yɛfiri nneɛma ntene nyinaa ho ɛkyinyegie ne abufuo ne pɛsɛme nkɔnyanyanya atwomyɛ a yɛayɛ nyinaa no se yɛnka yɛnkane ndwuma no Adisam ngwano se yanka ne nyuma no na yanka baby a yefiri hwiase. We should remember where we fell and where we backslided. Even now what me and said there has been backsliding spirit. Yentumi mpomba wanim ne won kasa ya hwiase. Yentumi nya branken kan wasem a ya hwiase. Fa yemboni nyina kye na tie ho. Na wakano wasemo Psalm 37 say ayewo na ututu otinini ni anamon susu di see. You are the one who direct the footsteps of the righteous, O Heavenly Father. Let it be that from this day what the anamon be see why and not do me. According to Matthew Asempa etia ayensia no waka se eno ma wona mu wie mu mpa wo no mo no do mo mpa mo no wa wo ye osuraja da bia da mo nya bibi di enti yanso so na awotwe ma ye bibi ni ma ye bibi mfra ma ye bibi nom ma ye bibi nyo wa Jesus Christ dimo wo ye wa nyina ma ye ne a wo dem se ye ntumi fa wase da ni da biara da bede mano ne maso eba wanim said me nam kwam na me prayer partner yi bompaye no Erade temano ne temaso na de me ka no eja de e be so wo Erade ani ye wi a ya to aso de waseda ma So what join me now do a video to Adom 106.3 and that's Facebook now pa and that's YouTube now pa. Adia ba ko na betumi aya ma me say wo so be share and adwuma me dey ama wono. Wa wo me page so bia ya Adom page and answer YOA share because there me no kan nyina ne empire me boy nyina obi sunya bi na wono so tia eboa wono so e ma ne Christo som so wo konani. So share and like the program. Hey Owusu, thank you very much, my friend and my prayer partner on my way. May drive will be a near bompai near Namquaso, no may drive a bompai. Thank you very much, I appreciate it. Oh cry Wanna tab and I see. Oh, yeah. Dr. Mary Ganza, good morning. Thank you for your message. Why are the cashier? Let me a kaka and yama cassia mintim a kakraka kokroka yameti as a phone. Can you remember all the things that the Lord has done? 3 weeks a year, your wolf fear near your lockdown. We Radina Krayemo, woman named Sawunisika. I was some more requested that the pan, that the yepe apple, that the yepe pineapple, that the yepe anka, that the yepe mango. Woman named Sawusika will but to Manasa Winibi. One Casan Kwa won't come out. Were you able to feed yourself? Eradi ayade kesiye. I can't also share. So Facebook do share. Who are radio so for telephone and fro be na catch and say Yaw Owusu-Ansah betena fidie na so. Asafo skede say go so ebe ye nhira de ma. You're very sure say ya na okaya. Na so ni mo number because omo de omo number to abontin. And no, I'm sorry, baby friend, and I say, hey, not there by a one me kind. I could able to count in a manipa to be friend. I'm sorry, baby, I possess of a friend. It only have read, I'm say, hey, Eva, what do I have friend with this time? Publicly, on the maca. I appreciate it. So, good morning, baby. I will be do you call them? Enisa u Christo so no koye. Also for me from na me how na me wa mane enko. But check on them. It wo ma eden no menye fu e ba ha. Aye den na wo mutimi feed wo mba. Wo muti achirichiri but they come and serve you. Lockdown by omunna musa they come and they serve you. Binyina chire eniso. Enya woma said you enya obligation, enya compulsory. Ghana for Christo somona ya na we don't practice the full gospel. Appreciate them, appreciate their services. Enya a friend on but anything that you can do. Adano Paul says, "Mau sun sumu adianidi now so mame honemu adia enchens." There is nothing wrong. Yesu Kristo kai Matthew sympathy do the same. Obi biara obema ni shiani.
Oh, gramemo
So many mishiani ensio kruwama enomwa. Ose oma winshira anso so emba wo de biarada. Enti so obi kanya mesaba chiro no wo shira wa. Learn to be a blessing. That is the God that I serve. He's above all. Dr. Kuya Maraganza. And Ramamena, a sophomore Panifua, a woman from Anglican. Professor Yinka Safo. Amanda, Professor Yaw Frimpong Manson. Our Lord, Assemblies of God, no, the whole Ghana, and I feel you're Christian, Pentecostal Council, and then charismatic. On your titrania, what die when you know Suswana. Papa be chow preset, a booming one say to your leadership. Mamincha presema. Pentecost Chairman Apostle Humble. I'm in Fenonka. Apostle Humble Eric Nyamiche. Very down to earth. Ishia Empire Force Yana Madanya Mease. I mean, call back to the song again. Namena, ye papa nyane buadum. Nana nyane buadum. Namena, Apostle Lane Coffee.
He's above all, he's above all, he's above all, he's above all.
They did so well, and Celestine Dunker and Daughters of Glorious Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Munyana moya manayefe and Dominion instrumentalists and the singers. Sacrifice amoya yet to come and give the Adom Chapel, all believers chapel, a chapel without offering and tithe. So our motivation And right here, I'm say, mean to be my mom, cause I have to get a transport for you. And your company need you. I have to. Because we be ma pia homache lockdown. Now ombeto to Juma. Now you can do that. Sani de sumunipa. And I have to. I'm talking about the young ones, you know.
Your children.
And I pray scripture ida makuma so me pese be na okenkan ya dwene ho na ye nyina no ye de esua de na ye de bobra ebetumi amame mfa de tenten kakra bakai say from nyame ya Adom Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And sorry I wa Ghana ha nyina empanyifo de asi ho se ye de ya kwankyere ne ye de abompai e de ama oman Ghana lockdown no ayi ye free no nkyere se corona efri ho ba oman panyini ono ne team wo ma no mahunu de enti o mayi efri no de me nka ho ntimi nkyere ya de no de you say ya 3,000 but they are managing the situation. It is see on bia no nkyere se yanko fam ho. You see wo mo be market ni ade betimi akọ but na no ya me wo masem bisa wo. Wo mo be ko dwom no it is not they cannot manage it well. But me bisa me ho se ase aso ya bia wo mo sa no wo compare to church Imudia hipa ni ebetimi a manage situation pa. And I believe that the church is more well managed. But I'm not saying that the Abama cannot end. But me kase one of me could just sonny adeno. Sorry dear, fantastic leadership. Great leaders in the nation are men of God. You need papa. You bet me a social distancing. You bet me a yakurampo dada. You can't your money. And also swear. Where's an Maya? The home church. And Apostle Eric. Yamachakai. The home church. And pay for a caside in Obiaka once. You make sure say the home church, you know, you be maintain a year. Baka Ankaya Kwasori and Kanyaba. And so Nyamiya Dumwa more churches by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday near the area. Praying for the nation. When for that bind, I buy the Naya bind here. Away party from Pentecostal, NAC, Catholic bishops, all the associations. I can't bomana Yadesa 3 days. Country and empire. One a bit to be a general name. Na ye no man Israel ma wani Jacob ba Mizrim no edin. Exodus chapter 1. Now we no man Israel ma wani Jacob ba Mizraim no ding. Womu ebiara ene ne fiefo na ebaye Reuben, Simeon, Lewi, Judah, Isaac, Zebulon, Benjamin, Dan, Naphtali, Gad ne Asel. Na enipa awo free Jacob asinimu nyina ye edioson na Joseph ewo Mizrimu dada eno kwa ye message na Moses na Joseph de na owo Mizrimu dada eno kwa ye one message na Joseph de na owo Mizrimu dada eno kwa ya semba kwa ye betumi adwene ho. Facebook no ehifa na wona me som free otwira ebayamede kwada so abu akwa Kote Morgan vacated yes Kote danke na Joseph di anu wo Mizrim dada eno kwa ya message. That is verse 5. Verse 7. Na Joseph nini nuanom nyina ne won bre esofo no enyina wuwuye. Na Israel ma no ewowoe na wodoreye. Check the verse 7. Na Israel ma no wowoe na wodori bebre na won asechene. Oh, Ewurade be ma wone wasefo achene. Ewurade be ma wone wasefo mwachene. Na Israel emanu wowoye na wodori bebre na won asechene na won ho eyeden papa. Can this be the portion of your family? Na Israel manu wowoye na wodori bebre na won asechene na won ho ayedin papa na woye asase no soma. Check the scripture ya makan you. Once I me kan bibi na me to me bo na me kan ya. Me nya yank be kan the whole chapter. Etobre bia se wo be 6 time society mu environment mu na nkrofo hunu se wase chene. You are being stabilized. Onyamia ma wase chene. Onyamia ma wu tumpon. Onyamia ma wu kowanim. Onyamia ma wo sombo na wo ko soa. Na efe no enkrofo bi nsoso atena se. Na wo mo fa wo ho adwere. Na ohene foforo se wo ma se kire ye no mo ye asase no soma. They grew so strong. They became so multiply and increase. Check the scriptures. Na asase no wo mo ye soma na wo ma se chene ye. Abusia anopai mamenka sem we mfangu woni wasefo se mwase bechene na mo baye den na mo baye bebre papa. And the Bible no can say na wodore ye there is no na Israel man wo ye there is no boy. They became fruitful. Verse 7. They became fruitful. Adie ba ko asatan ni abayi domompe. They don't want to see, they don't want to hear. And say ye ni ayeni nyankopon wa pamono. Say ye betimi aso aba. They don't want to hear. They don't want to see. They don't. There's a but Bible says either they like it or not, the Israelites became fruitful. Fruitfulness multiplied, replenished. Adie ba kwa nyame bo wiase no bo nipa maye no. That man must be fruitful, increase, multiply, replenish. When nyame tirimupo onyame adwempo no seni awutie yese ya na obeye. But ayeda also there is a plan of God for your life. And now the pay when I'm in a kasa, wa Facebook, wa radio so, wa YouTube. God created you for these 3 purposes. That you must increase, you must multiply, you must replenish. You can write it down. I must increase, I must multiply, I must replenish. Now dear Satan so some penano. Satan doesn't want you to increase. On pesewa jini mubenyini. Eka Satan kwa nenke debiano we are naive. You are not knowledgeable. What ya brabonum se wonye knowledgeable adie kura ya wodiano se wonim die nkosora. No baba ye stagnant and then you retrogress. And said you become stagnant in life and then you retrogress. And that is what the devil is looking for. When he say an agenda, or person wujina fako, or person otefako, or person de biano, now te you cannot progress. And the Bible talk about the children of Jacob. Wama sifuano. Bible say they increase whereby they were in foreign land. Wamu obi manso, but they were increasing. Wamu ti obi kurum, but they were increasing. Wamu ti obi asaso, but they were increasing. Ladies and gentlemen, this Monday morning, may the same way the brew. Say nyame se me kan kire o say irrespective and found baby awo and funny baby out here, and funny the Satan yet, and funny corona, and funny how baby as here, you will surely increase, you will surely multiply, you will surely once I this hour, you will surely you will multiply, you will increase, and then you will replenish. Say, that is where your life become attractive to the enemy. So the devil is not afraid of the multitude, but he's afraid of people of increase. Your dynamisms are always growing. Your thinking faculty. So what do you know? So you can see it. And yes, sir, will be eloquent too. Will be on a note, but we say or repeated in some. But with tear or beer, not dream don't know. Say the parents you can see. Who will be a wide reader or be a king can book power. And now a part this year. Every day we share the panua. You can easily automatically see it because you see some kind of growth. Ne thinking, send your ordinary, send your susu idea, send your argue, ne argument line, ne argument level. And yes, you are called university, but automatically when Yamibo said that, say SSA. No, I'm talking about you. You don't know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about you. Also, first came bought themselves. I'm talking make Kasafa wo, Mamia, what damn paisy, Papaya, what damn paisy. We are what you what the idea. I'm talking about you. That is the plan and the agenda of Yahweh. When you meet Tribupane say the covenant children must increase, must multiply, must replenish, SSA. And you're optional. You say, oh, some pedia. And so Bible say, na Israel asefono na efe womu nyini. Na womu nyini no na efe di omo batai. Unya hunu say, encrophobia shasi a tower. It is because they have realized, they have observed. The pace who they call anymore, they cannot contain you. Write it down. Write it down. The pace what they call anymore. When you need here, but they see that you are thinking, you're planning, your vision, your visual plans, and they see so we need certificate here. But I'm telling you, they see growth in you. Can I see that growth in you the next time that I meet you? The next time I meet you, the next day that I meet you, the Kazu Farande Casto. The next time that I meet you, when you mean country, is a shop no now Tiano no. It's the same shop now the Tiano. Will be fear now 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. And why now that year? Then you are not growing. Grow academically, grow financially, grow spiritually, grow emotionally. You must grow. You must multiply. With Christos sumu, God is expecting you to grow. Now Israel manu yeah, that is number one. Now what dore now one of my section young wokeke ya woman ya section. I don't preach to people for preaching sake. Me Kenya me sama chirewa esese we stable. You must be stable. Esese wa section, esese we ya den, esese we te se pampim. Uti ya we te se pampim. Ehu beba, yadia beba, or how beba, amania beba. Your confessions are always positive. Ubia wano mingu matinase mekenya mimeni ya chire wo sorry anu akata let the weak say I am strong because watching yankasa why you day why you nam what dream why you nam when nisu adimu why you nam you are not after thought of God's plan. Can I close? Maybe I'm not recording to me pong. Maybe Kenya me 7 na me hunu sa adia na sinkia I see it. is the plans of God. And the men in Namho, Emma will be in for 55 cities, 10 cities, will be in for more and Adom. You are so intelligent, more than a more than a one, more than a jungle, more than in Koto. Oh, come on, shut up there. Come on, shut up there. When you are so intelligent and so smart, and you who soon nobody be about that. No. You are too smart more than that. You are too intelligent more than that. I am giving birth, and I see myself. I'm giving birth. What would tell me? We are one of those people. We are suffering. We are sorry, but you are one of my children. And we'll be from Hamburg. The best of family say, Ajua, so we'll ban the business in a minute. And I'm so bad. You are Obasadia, Obasadia. We are Obasadia. So now Israel manu way. Your children will give birth. Your children will be fruitful. It means that and you ma pay woman, and you ma pay woman, kasa pay woman. Yes, it should have say. But I stand in this environment of grace. You will not be like that. When you send I speak by the authority of the word. You know, Nyamia Samso Kasachira will crown home and only Pedriaso said, Waba Swaba, and Luna, what you are sending, and Lulu Wachinas as a Braha, and Ukuyadas as a Braha. I will see you bringing forth. You bring ideas, company, you bring an antidote to coronavirus. One thing, right, your man Padrikai, was you a Buo Kuromaha. Doctors be one more checking. I didn't also yet tonight. You ever say Bill Gates when I buy here vaccine and buy. Then where are our professors? Where are they? Why do we have professors and the scientists? And I like that statement. Ghana way. Yes, so you want. Do you know what Janet to me? Me every day, every crowd almost say me punu sa, me punu, me wanyama me punu. We ye nanano me yabatu me nanano ye konfoba. Me nyame fere sa me kan. Me nanaba no ye konfoba. Kwa asirima so abu akwa. Kobisa me nanaba ma apuma su nanana me. Me nanaba kosi afra. Kwa friend say be person suta. Wona na ye ekomo aye revival. Me nanaba ma apuma su one come here revival the whole Ashanti region. But me say me suffer now. One thing happen, I saw it and I saw it and I saw it. You want happen, you want no papa. What are you talking about? You tell me near my bro from Abakaja say yeah habana dear. And you're useless. We can bring out something unique. Something unique. What's in Israel manu wo yeah. Semi Israel sinidia, Semi Jacob sinidia, Semi Aquasiamu Aqua sinidia, Semi Osebonsu sinidia, Semi Fiampra sinidia, Semi Bedu Kofia sinidia. Men should be Jina Selfie say, one so it's a year to Mojanti. Wasif Waba Swaba. Can I speak that word before I close? Your children will bring forth. They will bring forth. They will bring forth. Your life will not depend on people. You will not be a beggar. Lockdown, Machine man have been writing some things down. We are Juma. I had done your lock down 3 weeks. I feel not watch it. It is because your bones and you don't say. And Bradodra would do Unkosiano. No, it has taught me a lot of lessons. You must be dynamic. You must be intelligent. You must be smart. You must be a deep thinker. Yeah, what is Isaka Mano? You must know the timings and the seasons of life. Young Sumunyame by Sia Katonso. Adano Yamishia Paul was the go and change their thinking. Was it what go and teach them to be wise, to be intelligent, to be smart. Namasam Sani Yakano. Na Israel mano ewo na wodore. Enyesi ya wo keke. Ya woma yasef wodore. Oh, I speak multiplication. You will multiply. Academically, you will multiply. Economically, you will multiply. In marriage, you will multiply. Adie biara wo ye biara. Who started one? I speak into your life the dynamism of growth. You will must multiply. And you will multiply. Your prayer life multiply. Market now what you multiply. Environment now want to multiply. Can I hear people that will say amen to that? You multiply. Are you multiply? Abrabonus one multiplier. Company ya ye mojumano. But one multiplier, you become very relevant. Take note. My age had 25 years, and I know the dynamism. 25 years. If you don't read wide and pray wide and position yourself well, a time will come. We'll be back. Yes, we'll be a busy Buddha. 25 years, a busy. I try my hardest. Read. Listen to others. Your research. So you come out with something different. Because of the dynamism of grace. The more Daniel couldn't see the Hunkunya. When we see the Hunkunya, now Babantine, we see Kunya Juba. Masori, you see Kunya Honda and Yajuba. Oh, baby, me no Amaka. Masori, if you these three areas of life, but you need to read wide, pray hard, be focused. Dear Manemoka Grana, too great to the honor. That is the God that I serve. Hey, messages in the you will multiply. You will be great, strong, powerful. You will excel. But check a scripture. Ukuyada meba, yabatuas. Ukuyada meba. And I watch it. Okay, what the matters on? Okay, what the matters on? Na Israel manu owe na wadore. Ho, and none me kegu so nejwa wo bedore. Wo bedore. When you will be our over conform that wo bedore. Na wadore. Na one ma se chene. We are chineba. You're unmovable, you're unshakable, you're unpressable. That is how God has made you to be. We are chineba. Now we are then papa. Check the scriptures, you know. Now we are then papa. Now we are assassin soma. When you begin to multiply and increase, practically, they see your influence. I know Musi Unkonya. Was no Hinefofro Biba Sore or Mizrim. Not only Joseph. Wabwa, Kokwe. What did Joseph say? I don't read the history. Mapong. No one. Another one, he be by ya was one guy, Jubakura Joseph. Kokwe, what do you mean by that? What do you mean? One kind of Joseph, why you say? I come back some years, and you Joseph, and your history about customer Facebook for my children, some more me coffee, I mean, Branama can carry in and some of my children. How do you make Kaya? I'm the Radija, Radin Radin Moi. This week we will continue. Lift your hands. Radin Radin Sonya. May you not lack nothing. You will not lack nothing. I speak and I prophesy over your life. And ye kase mo ba ye kase ama ahemfo mpo asi hu nkunya so wo ba braba we na mpanyifo bi ansi hu nkunya na just say you are not making an impact, you are not making any positive impact. May people in the higher places may they take decisions, diabolic decisions, but in all the decisions God will turn it for your good. God will turn it for your good. God will turn it for your good. God, the capital G-O-D, the capital G-O-D, and Jesus, the capital J-E-S-U-F. My phone. To our celebrant part. Abraham Medasa for your motivation. Also, I thank you very much for your prayer. Dr. Barry Gaza, thank you very much. Jumadie, Kuyobi Susana Bahoka. Say Kuyono, Omoton sanitizer. Woman on Bano cry. Here for no man. Yeah, most of the other about to me. Apostle Stephen, today is your birthday. Stephen Suman. Apostle Suman. Good morning and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. God bless you. God multiply you. You will never go back. You will never retrogress. Sanitizer on Santo. Woman about me hoka mama de. Say you me de ebreo. Memo detail no what? Santo. I sanitizer. A year Juma bro so traso. On fifty at me. Energy no basa. Cherry up on your man. Woman for me cry. And yes, to be in forward, sit and need a bearada. Thank you very much. I love you. Ishole Bedesh.
We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day. It's you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones that make a brighter day. So let's stay at home. Try and stay at home. There's a chance to make it. We're saving our own life. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home and wash our hands and sanitize. There's a chance we make it. We're saving our own life. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. You and me make a brighter day. Say the word.